welcome back to the channel. Another day, another roam and another pack. You never know what happens when you walk a pack of dogs off leash every day like I do. Anyway, it's Sunday and it's raining, it's windy, and it's all good. It doesn't bother us what weather hits us, what day it is. We just keep going. So stay tuned and glad you can join us on a day like this. Well, it's funny on days like this when the weather's really bad, you sort of know who's going to be out walking their dogs and who isn't. You get these hearty souls that no matter what the weather, they're out every day walking their dogs. I should know, I'm out every day and I see them. You got the old lady up here, you got another elderly woman that was just here. You know, it's good for the soul when you're out all the time. No matter what the weather, it's good for the dog, it's good for your soul. So, doesn't matter what the weather, get out there with your dog. Don't sit at home because of the weather. Go hard. Well, that's a wrap for us. We've endured a windy, actually a really strong wind today, right through the day, but it seems to have died off now. The sun's out, it's only a light wind now, but all I got to do now for today is to take the dogs for one more quick walk, give them some food, and that's done. It's 20 to 4, so by the time we finish it'll be 4 o'clock, so it's even an early day for us. Tomorrow we'll be back.